Desk arms. Develop a sequence of 8 beats worth of arm moves that you can do at your desk. Everyone performs their own sequence together. Try it slow, try it fast, see how it feels. Tutting arms. Testing your movement memory, follow the teacher as they connect 6 arm moves in a sequence, breathing between each move, breathing out as you transition. With a partner, try it opposite each other without talking. See if you can do it with the same intention and rhythm. Pizza massage. Knead the dough with a scrunch and a squish. Now it's time to roll out the dough, smoothing it all out. I think it might be ready to sprinkle that cheese all over the body. Now we're going to add some toppings. Maybe ask your learners what would they like and pop them on your pizza. Time to put it in the oven so it can get really warm and bubbly through your body. Get it out of the oven and carefully chop it up into pieces. You can add some breath work in this next part to cool your pizza down, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Eat your pizza and let the warmth of your pizza fill your body. And finish by giving yourself a really, really big hug. Focus. Do this with just your arms and your upper body. One person starts. This could be the teacher, and they start leading movement for others to follow. Try and change up the speed and intention of your movement to try and catch people out. Then pick 1 or 2 learners to have a go leading the movement to see if they can catch the class out with their moves.